Departure United 108 Heavy, passing 1,000 for 3,000.
United 108 Heavy, good evening, radar contact, maintain 5,000.
5,000, United 108 Heavy.
Heavy, maintain 10,000, flight heading 340.
10,000, heading 340, United 108 Heavy. Good evening, Potomac departure, United 918 Heavy is 1.3, climbing via seat 3,000, turn right heading 320.
United 918 Heavy, good evening, radar contact, maintain 5,000.
Maintain 5,000, United 918 Heavy.
108 Heavy, you're up to 10,000, verify.
Failure, engine failure, left engine, United 108, declaring emergency, mayday, mayday, mayday.
United 108 Heavy, roger that, sir. Be able to make your way back into the field at this time. You can turn right, heading 100 if able.
Right turn to 100, United 108 Heavy.
United 108 Heavy, when able to stay in tension, sir. There's nobody between you and the field. I'm going to keep the Government down one at 6,000, exalt altimeter 2999.
Okay, we're level at 5. We'd like to just stay here.
108 Heavy, roger, sir. Right turn 100. You can expect any runway you'd like, really, sir. 19 center work?
Yeah, 19 center will work, United 108 Heavy.
United 108 Heavy, if you could, one more time, please. Left engine failure.
One soul's on board, about 5 hours of flight time.
108 Heavy, you're clear to Dulles via vector. Turn right, heading 160 to join the 19er center, localizer.
160 to 19 center. We're working on a checklist for now, so we might need to hold.
Okay, just advise, sir, and speed at your discretion. If I need to take you back out for another loop, that's perfectly fine. Just let me know what I can do for you.
Okay, we'll let you know.
108 Heavy again, speed at your discretion. Nobody behind you, nobody in front, sir.
108 Heavy, copy. Yeah, departure United 108. 108 Heavy, we're going to need to take a few laps in the holding.
Okay, United 108 Heavy, no problem. Fly runway heading, maintain 5,000.
Okay, 191, the heading 5,000, United 108 Heavy.
108 Heavy, how much estimated, how much time do you need to hold? You're burning fuel or just getting set up there?
Yeah, we may have to climb to 6 and adjust fuel. We're talking about that right now.
Okay, yep, no problem. United 108 Heavy, just let me know. We can get you anything you need, sir.
And departure United 108, like to climb 5,000 for 6,000.
United 108 Heavy, no problem. Climb and maintain 6,000. Dulles altimeter now 3000.
3000, 5 for 6, United 108 Heavy. Departure United 108, any location you prefer us to adjust weight?
United 108 Heavy, what we're going to do is we're going to take you straight out a few more miles, and we're going to get you out to the west there. We're keeping everybody clear of you, so you're not in the way one bit.
Okay, and we'll stand by till you tell us to commence, and it'll take us about 6 minutes to adjust weight.
6 minutes, no problem. United 108 Heavy, contact Potomac approach on 120.45. We're all on the same page as the plan here, and we'll get you where you need to be. And you said you need to jump a little bit?
12045, United 108.
Heavy, have a good day, sir.
Good day. United 108 emergency aircraft is with you, 6,000.
And 108 Heavy, Southwest, good evening. Turn right heading 330, 330, heading adjust advisory to start the dump.
330, United 108 Heavy. Understand United 108 Heavy is cleared. This is a good area to adjust weight.
United 108 Heavy, are you able to wait about 60 seconds or do you need to start now?
Okay, that's fine. We can wait.
I'd expect to start in about 60 seconds.
Copy.
United 108 Heavy, can I start the dump at your discretion?
United 108 Heavy, copy.
Central aircraft fuel dumping in progress, 1 miles west of Dulles, northbound at 6,000 by a Heavy 787. United 108 Heavy, just for planning after the dump for about 6 to 10 minutes, are you going to be ready to head in or do you need more time after that?
We'll be ready for vectors to final for 19 center, United 108 heavy.
For United 704, I do apologize. Company has an emergency ahead of you. 19 center is going to be closed and change your runway. Expect runway 19 right.
No problem. 19 right, United 704.
United 108 heavy, just checking back into you. How many more minutes do you think before you'll be ready for the base?
Yeah, we can go now, United 108.
United 108 heavy, roger, and just advise fuel dumping complete.
Not quite complete yet. If you want us, we got about probably 2 more minutes, so if you want us to go on this heading, we can do it.
United 108 heavy, roger. Turn right heading about 020 for now at 20 heading, and then just let me know as soon as it's done, we'll get you in there.
020 for now, we'll let you know, United 108. And about 5 more minutes of dump is what we can calculate for now.
United 108 heavy, roger. What direction of turn is easier for you, right or left?
Right turns are easier, that's our good measure.
Potential aircraft fuel dumping still in progress. 20 miles northwest of Dulles, northbound 6 south by heavy 787.
Hello, approach American 311 emergency 5000, heading 305.
American 311 Potomac, welcome. Which runway would you like?
We'd like to probably put the 19 left on request.
19 left it is, and are you ready to go inbound, or do you need time?
We're going to need some time. American 311.
United 108 heavy, when you're able, clear track cut C on the ILS, Charlie Uniform Tango Zulu Zulu to intercept. I'll keep you just on the west side of the weather.
Looks good to us, United 108 heavy.
United 108 heavy, contact Potomac on 134.2, and the wind is 1904, altimeter 3000. Have a great night.
Thanks for your help. 134 today.
And approach American 311.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we're ready for the approach. Requesting a 20 to 25 mile final. We need extra time to configure the airplane for landing. And if you could pass it along, we are requesting emergency equipment to meet us on the runway. We're going to have to stop on the runway, and we're going to require maintenance to install gear pins on our landing gear before we could be towed in. So that's kind of where we're at.
Potomac United 108 heavy, emergency aircraft with you 6,000.
United 108 heavy, welcome, and I understand you guys want to stay at the block altitude from now, was it 4 through 6?
Yeah, just give me 6 for 1 more minute, United 108 heavy.
United 108 heavy, not a problem, and to maintain 6,000 feet, speed your discretion, let me know if you need anything.
United 108 ready for lower.
United 108 heavy, roger, you're about 7 miles from Cadman, cross outer above 5,000, cleared ILS, runway 19 center approach.
Okay, 5,000, clear for the ILS 19 center, United 108.
United 108 heavy, contact Dulles Tower 134.42.
3442, 108 heavy.
United 704, contact Dulles Tower 134.42, so 160 knots, still a 5 mile final.
160 to 5, we're going to Tower 3442, United 704.
Tower, good evening, United 108 heavy, emergency aircraft, 19 center.
United 108 heavy, Dulles Tower, wind 190 at 3, runway 19 center, clear to land.
Clear to land 19 center. We'll be able to exit the runway, but we'll be getting a tow back.
United 108 heavy, roger.
Tower, Ops 1, I understand. Our emergency aircraft next to land.
Ops 1, 8 firm. Both the emergency aircraft are next to land on 19 left and center.
Copy.
Red vehicles on the east side of the runway, 121.9. If you're a red vehicle monitoring 121.9 or 2375, Dulles Grab, can you respond?
All right, calling about a route, stand by. There are 2 emergencies in progress. Anybody asking about a route, stand by for now.